The amazing uses of aloe vera. Aloe is a plant originally from Africa. The long green leaves contain aloe gel and a sticky yellow residue called latex. The gel is the part of the aloe plant used most commonly both topically and orally. Aloe latex, also known as drug aloe, contains anthraquinone glycosides, constituents that have strong laxative effects, so it is rarely found in commercial laxative products. Let's see the benefits of this miracle plant. Rich culture. The spiky green gem has a rich history of various cultures and personalities who used the plant's moist middle in a plethora of practical uses, like Cleopatra, who applied the gel to her body as part of her beauty regimen, the ancient Greeks who used it to cure everything from baldness to insomnia, to the Native Americans who called aloe vera the wand of the heaven. It doesn't hurt that aloe vera produces at least 6 natural antiseptics which are able to kill mold, bacteria, funguses and viruses. Skin care. Pamper yourself to a soothing body rub. Slice aloe leaves lengthwise and use the inner sides as a biodegradable body scrub in the shower. You can also make skin new again with an exfoliating organic sugar scrub by mixing together 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of organic lemon juice. For hair. Speed up hair growth by massaging aloe into the scalp, letting it sit for 30 minutes and rinsing. Reduce hair dandruff by mixing aloe vera juice with coconut milk and wheat germ oil. Massage into scalp and rinse. Replace conditioner with aloe for silkier, smoother hair. Stomach ailments. Drink aloe vera juice to relieve gastrointestinal disorders like indigestion. Sip it to aid in elimination. Many times it's recommended for its laxative effects. Take a swig to reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, including bloating and discomfort. Take aloe orally to relieve heartburn, arthritis and rheumatism pain. Boil leaves in a pan of water and breathe in the vapor to alleviate asthma. Drink to lower blood sugar levels, especially for diabetics. Constituents. Aloe vera contains anthraquinone glycosides, resins, polysaccharides, sterols, gelonins and chromones. Side effects and cautions. The topical use of the aloe gel for treatment purposes is essentially harmless for most people, with the rare exception of individuals who may have some allergic reaction to the aloe. While aloe is safe to use for minor burns, it must be remembered that medical attention is necessary and vital if the burn begins to blister significantly or is severe in appearance. The appearance of the burn will give you a good indication of the severity of the burn on the skin. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.